Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and we're currently in Shenzhen, China. Here in Shenzhen, we've visited the Huawei flagship store, and whilst there, we spotted this power bank. This is the Huawei 12,000 mAh 40-watt supercharged power bank. This means that it's compatible with Huawei's supercharge standard for charging and will be able to not only charge itself quickly, but also charge your devices fast. This is actually Lukash, our Chief Aperture Officer's power bank, but I'm unboxing it just because we're in the flow at the moment. So packaging is pretty simple. It gives you some details. The 40 watt is the telltale sign that this is the fast charger. And on the back, there's all the usual details about the output and so forth. But let's open up the packaging and see what's there. It does feel quite heavy, but we'll find out why soon. So in the box, there is a plastic tray which comes with one of Huawei's fast charge, or in this case supercharge cables. Those are denoted by the purple inside the side and purple on the USB Type-C port. And the power bank itself, which has some documentation in it. We can't read much of what it says there, but the pictures are pretty cute. Examples of its use case, details about the input and output, and details of what's where on the product. So let's put that aside. The power bank itself is here. We have not charged this. This is the first time it's being opened. And there you have it. So this is a nice glossy finish. As you can see, I've already got some fingerprints on it. There's a Huawei logo in the top left when held in landscape and a 12,000 sign on the other side. Glossy side, it's all glossy, glossy, glossy. And on the bottom, there's the usual regulatory notes. On the bottom side, there's a power button, and it has a warning not to use dual USB cables, so USB cables that go from the output to two devices. And here you can see the Huawei Supercharge purple output. There is a USB Type-A port, which specifically says that it outputs at 5 volt 2 amp, and then you have the USB Type-C output, which is both in and out at 5 volt 3 amp. So 5 volt 3 amp is 15 watt. So overall, that's quite a lot. And it says Huawei Supercharge. If we long press it, you can see this is half full as it comes out of the box. There's a little LED light indicator there. Let's try plugging it into a Huawei P30 Pro, in this case Lukash's Aurora Huawei P30 Pro. I'm just going to undo the cable. So this is the official cable included in the box. Let's see if it has enough of a charge to supercharge Lukash's phone. And it now says supercharging. As you can see, the Huawei 40 watt supercharging smartphone charger is definitely working with the Huawei device. It says that it's supercharging. And let's see if we can get the animation on. No, it doesn't have the animation, but we could see the percentage of the charging going up very rapidly. So let's see that again. That's the Huawei Supercharged charger. Plug that in. 83%, it's supercharging, and it's going up around about half a second for 0.01% of the battery of the P30 Pro, which is really impressive. And so this should be able to charge the Huawei P30 Pro a couple of times comfortably and still be able to have a little bit of power left in it. It's 12,000 mAh charger. Obviously there are some slight inefficiencies in charging batteries this way, but reasonable product. So we're quite impressed with that. This is the Huawei 40 watt supercharge power bank from Huawei, purchased at the Huawei flagship store here in Shenzhen, China. Right then, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. This has been an unboxing of a power bank. We cover all sorts of consumer electronics and gadgets that make the travel experience better. If you like this video and would like to know more, please leave us a comment or give us a like. But for now, from Shenzhen, China, thanks for watching everyone. Goodbye.